Hello and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everyone. Today we're going to be solving question 52 from the 2017 Algebra 1 STAAR using the TI-Nspire calculator. So let's get started. Okay, so our first move here is to of course read the problem. It says the functions, and there's a function, some equation. Okay. If I see an equation, I should be happy because it means that I can graph it very easily in my TI-Nspire. Can be used to determine the cost in dollars for a taxi ride of R miles. Okay, so the R represents the miles. That's nice to know. What is the rate of change? And that is definitely a major keyword right there, rate of change, of the cost in dollars with respect to the number of miles. Okay, so first of all, that's a lot of information, but let's look specifically at the question and see what we're trying to figure out. What is the rate of change? Rate of change basically means slope. And in the calculator, slope is represented by this symbol. Okay. So really, to answer this question, all I need to do is graph this and find this symbol. Well, this symbol, since I'm looking for keywords, is going to be under GR A. And the A stands for analyze. So this is a GR analyze problem. Okay. So we're going to graph and analyze. Okay, so let's push Control N and start our problem. We press no for to clean out the calculator's brain, and now we go right in and start choosing. We go to graph, that's the G. We delete the equal sign and we go to 6, that's the R. Now we can't analyze a graph that's not there yet, so first we're going to copy in the equation. Now when we copy in the equation, we cannot put the letter C and the letter R. What we're going to do here is we're going to put here y equals. The calculator can only graph with the letter X and the letter Y. So I'm going to replace this one with Y, and I'll replace this one with X. And now it looks good, so I'm going to just graph this up. Y equals 5.5 plus 3.6 parentheses X minus 1 parentheses, and press enter. And there I have my graph. Okay, so now that I have the graph, I can analyze it. So that's the A. So push menu, and there's the word analyze right there on number 6. So that's the analyze. And inside analyze, well, what do we want? Well, we said we want the slope, which is represented by dy over dx. That's the same thing. That's more of the higher level of rise over run. Rise is a change of y's, right? And x is a change of run. So there you go. So we'll push the slope button, number 5. Okay, and now it shows me a little finger, and you just need to know how to use the calculator for this. You're just going to use the little finger, and you're going to click anywhere you want on the graph. Okay, so there it is, and the answer came out to be 3.6, and that is $3.60 per mile. If you had trouble seeing this, I'm going to do it one more time with it zoomed in. If you didn't have trouble, well, then you can stop watching right here. But if you did have trouble seeing it, I'll show it one more time with the calculator zoomed in. I pressed Control N, I put no, I go to the graph. Okay, now once I go to graph, that's the G. I delete the equal sign, and I choose option 6 for relation. Okay, so that's the R. Now I need the graph, so I'm going to type it in. Y equals 5.5 plus 3.6 parentheses X minus 1 parentheses. And I'll press enter. There's my graph. Let me get the equation out of the way so you can see it a little better. And now I'm going to do the analyze step. Remember, it's menu, number 6, and our keywords told us we want rate of change, so that's how I know that I'm going to choose dy dx, number 5. And now I can point the little finger anywhere that I want on the graph, so I'll choose right there, and I can click, and it will tell me the slope of this graph is 3.6, which is $3.60 per mile. So once again, that is the correct answer. Okay, so today we solved question 52 from the 2017 STAAR using the TI-Nspire. We had to use a strategy called graph relation analyze, or GR analyze, and we knew that slope was represented by dy over dx. All right, and I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to click the bell icon. And of course, to visit the website where math is for everyone, www.grossimath.com. Have a great day, guys.